Hi, good morning guys. Today is March 2, 2018. It's been 1 year now, my YouTube, starting using YouTube. Why do I do YouTube? I don't have much subscriber for 1 year. I don't have any lots of view, but why I still do it? Because I love it. I'm an artist. I'm an interior designer. I love arts, and I feel YouTube is one of them, to show what I can do. When I start YouTube, it's very difficult because I don't know a program to do the editing of the film or the video. But one thing though, I find out one of the easiest program that I have used is the Filmora. Filmora, yes. Filmora is a friendly program to use. It's easy to understand, and you can use it and understand it easily. They are all around the YouTube if you want some tutorial. And for 1 year now, for me, Filmora is thumbs up. Filmora didn't pay me anything for this video. I just want to review what Filmora is. Filmora can do a lot of things. And you don't need to study much, and you don't need to break your brain to learn more about it. There's a lot of things that you can do. As the years progress, there's a new things that I can really do in Filmora. I can have special effects. The most important thing is special effects. I will talk about special effects, Filmora and special effects. Imagine if your world is just one click. Because of this video, you can have this thing. You can have rain if you want to. If you want clouds, if you want to. And even look at this. It's walking on top of my table. It's easy to use Filmora. At the same time, thanks to all the YouTube that's giving a free green screen that you can use in your video. I'm grateful for you guys, and I have learned a lot, and it's so good for me to understand more about Filmora and how to do good videos. Well, talking about being an artist, I love to make design. I love to create things. In my imagination, talk to people and create a lot of different things and show it to you guys who are starting your YouTube just this year, and you're having problems in editing your video. Why not try Filmora? Filmora is easy, and they have free that you can download. And if you want to register, sometimes it costs me, last time it cost me about $40 above. And it's a fantastic video editing, and it's easy to use. Imagine if you have the talent of this and using, like I'm wearing Superman now. I can have my my eye vision or my X-ray vision, and I can have all the gesture in my hand for superpower. Yes. And if I want to have clouds all around me, just like that, and you can put a bomb down in my table. I have a lot of lists here for what I can do in Filmora. It's a fantastic video editing, and as I can tell you, you won't not have hard time studying it and using it. It's quite easy to use. As I look on my list, there's a lot of things that I write here for what you can do in Filmora, especially using the special effects. I can try to prevent bullets. Yeah, like that. And here I can have dogs in front of me. The dogs, yeah, it's quite good. It's look real. It's fantastic. Yeah. And as I said, that hand power gesture. And one of my favorite is the super and whirlpool. Yeah, it's a whirlpool. You can see in my whirlpool. Yeah. Lighting. Yes, lighting. Yeah, something striking in my hand. The lighting. Yes. And as I said, fish swimming. Feel relaxed. You're under the water. You want to swim. And the rain can drop down. Yeah, it's raining. It's raining in my place now. It's raining. Spaceship. Yeah, spaceship passing by. Oh. Yeah. And dragon throwing fire. Yes. What kind of dragon in your imagination? Even though if you start using YouTube and you're an artist and you love doing videos and you want to show people what you can do, yes, YouTube is very good. And what else? Well, there's a lot of things like, for example, turning the page out, turning the page in, zoom in and zoom out. It's easy to learn from Filmora, and at the same time, there's a lot of tutorial in the YouTube, and you will not be lost. Not like some other program I tried before. It's so difficult to learn, and it's so complicated. Filmora is quite easy. At the end of this video, I will try to make some tutorial how you can put the green screen so that you can have a good special effect to your video. I'm not saying I'm good. I'm not saying I'm professional. I'm just learning same as you, but I just want to give what I learned from you guys, especially those that is really new to YouTube channel and who's just starting. At least I come to 1 year. This is March. As I said, today is March 2 when I start my video. It's kind of hard because at first people will not really view your views. If you can see other people, wow, they're having a huge view. a big subscriber. But come think of it, if you really love all the things that you do, you don't care about them. You don't care about these big videos that they can create. You care about yourself. You care about what you love. And who knows, someday you will also become something like them. If it is your time, it's your time. If you can do it, you can do it. But one thing for sure I can tell you is that if you love it, just do it. You will feel good about it, and you feel excited to do it. Well, do it for Filmora. And special effects that you can do to this stuff or to this video editing, and the easiest way to put all your ideas, editing and promoting your vlog using Filmora is kind of thumbs up to me, because I really tried others and it's really very difficult to understand. You need a lot of lesson to do it. But this one, at the first try, I can really understand without looking on the tutorial. But of course, as the days go on, you want to learn more, so you can use the YouTube to learn more Filmora. A lot of big guys, a lot of people who knows a lot of things like those animation. By the way, guys, I do animation before, but last time we are just using hand, not like today is using computer. And I'm not that really good in computer, but because of this Filmora, I can come out with good videos myself, and it's really fun for me, and it's really feel good when I created something. But as the years or the days pass by, I learn things. And last time I cannot talk, but now I'm trying to, I'm trying to learn more about myself, to be brave enough to talk. And sometimes I'm not good in English because I'm a Filipino and I try to speak in Tagalog. But as the year pass by, or as I create a video, talking, a vlog, I learn things, and I'm starting to absorb the values of this video making or YouTube. And my blog, by the way, is anything under the sun, from arts. Sometimes I do arts, drawing, food. I love food. I like eating a lot of food. Travel, yes, travel, and talking to people, looking around, means anything under the sun. And I hope you will like my videos. Someday you try to watch my videos and subscribe. Help me out, guys. And if you have a new YouTube, you just come to me. I will subscribe to you and help you out. And I know it's very tough to do this, but if you feel good and feel excited, or you feel something inside doing this, just do it. Just see my tutorial last page about doing the special effect, using Filmora for the green screen. Anyway, thank guys for all the special green screen special effect that have come out. Because of you guys, I cannot do this. And thank you so much. Thank you. Okay guys, this is a simple tutorial of using Filmora for the green screen special effect. I will try to use one of my video of my face, trying to have a eye power like Superman. So I cut it. I'm going to use the Superman power,
looking at it, is this one. Drag it down to the down. Yes, and try to see the this one, and try to put it in the right place and split and delete. Yeah, just what left is the power come out. So we just focus on the eyes, right click and click the green screen and click then you just to adjust the intense opacity until you can see the background, and now you can play. It's quite easy, guys. This Filmora is really easy to use. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.